Hello guys. So, mabilis lang to about our timetable or our pipeline. So, tinatawag natin tong what they call this production line. So, the production line has a set of process, di ba na enter ka dito, mangyayari to, mangyayari to, mangyayari to, and then output, di ba? So, ito yung explanation natin na simple for our Bayanihan Breakthrough 90-day program. So, yan. So with this one, we call this the Bayanihan 10x fast track or pay it forward. So sinimplihan lang kasi natin ito eh. Under this principle, papasok ka with already 10 people. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Ikaw yung magbabayad dun sa 10 people. So in short, ang lalabas sa iyo to pay for 10 people, 10 of your leaders is 2,000 pesos. So makikita nyo kung sa February 1, okay, dito sa first column and number 1 row, 'di ba? Nakalagay 1, tapos month 0, days 15, how many days. So ibig sabihin nakalampas na yung 15 days sa iyo, no? So by February 1, may pumasok sa yung 10 times 40 pesos, that is 400, tapos may minus 1,000 ka. Plus dyan, may free Unimag ka, automatic, dahil kasi nabuo mo yung 10 mo, no? Now, on the second quincenas, which is after 30 days, no? Makikita natin sa row 2. Okay, nakalagay 2. Tapos 1 month ang nakalipas. By February 15, i-ignore nyo muna yung may month na Feb, March, April, May, June. Ano? Yan yung kasi kung nagdadagdag ka ng 10 every month. Okay, ganun lang kasimple. So dito, February 15, 25 pesos times 100 dahil yung 10 mo nanganak, may 25 ka. So in short, in just 30 days, you will have a monthly income of 2,900. So yung 2,000 nilabas mo from day 0 or day 15, nabawi mo na in just 30 days. Tapos, nagkaroon ka na ng Unimag at makakatanggap ka pa ng tablet. So bakit hindi mo gagawin ito? Magkano yung halaga ng tablet, 'di ba? So, no-brainer. But ang strength kasi nito is nabubuo yung 10-10. So ngayon, yung 10 mong first level, okay, gusto nila rin yung tablet, gusto rin nila yung Unimag. So, 45 days, okay, pupunuin nila yung kanilang tig-10. So, magiging 1,000 people ka na by March 1. Okay? That is row 3. So, imagine, you started out with 2,000 pesos cash out, niregalo mo sa mga tao. Bakit niregalo, by the way? This is what we call pay it forward or PIF. So, ibig sabihin, buo lagi yung 10 mo. Dahil kasi, kinausap mo, kinontrata mo yung mga tao na, sige, babayaran ko tong entry. Ang prinsipyo nito, para matuloy at mabuo ang ating 10-10, okay, tayo ang magpe-pay it forward. Dahil pagdating ng panahon, okay, you can have hundreds of thousands na income. Pero dito pa nga lang yan di ba? Pag umabot ng 10,000 people. Okay, dito muna pala tayo sa 1,000 people, okay? Row 3. Ang income mo is 22,900 in just 60 days. Tapos may laptop ka pa. Okay? So, magkano na ang laptop ngayon? Sabihin mo hindi naman ganun kamahal yung laptop na bibili natin. Of course, dahil kasi hindi naman ganun kalaki yung ating business, yung maintenance ng business natin, di ba? 150 per month nga lang So, may laptop ka na by the time 60 days have passed. Okay? Everybody just doing pay it forward 2,000, 2,000. Lahat tig 10-10. 200 times 10. Diba? 200 pesos per member times 10. Now, pagdating ng March 15, okay? Sorry, after 60 days pa na pala yan, March 15. 2 months pa lang, no? May 10,000 people ka na. 122,000 ng income mo. Sabihin mong inabot ka ng 75 days niyan. Mabagal ka na kapag umpisa. You will have 122,000 income plus you will also get a travel package or a motorcycle. Okay? Of course, hindi sobrang high-end na motor yan. Huwag tayo mag-expect na malaki dahil maliit lang naman yung halaga ng ating business. Now, kita nyo yan, di ba? At the end of 75 days or gawin mo sabihin mong naging 90 days na, inabot ka na ng April 15, okay? Or June. Kung monthly mo nagagawa yung 10-10-10, June yan. So that means you will have 622,000 income buo. Bakit? Paano kasi lahat nagsasampu-sampu? 10. Plus, you get a car. Of course, second-hand car yan or low-end car lang yan. Depende na magda-down payment tayo kung gusto nyo ng brand new. So, ayun, saka na natin mapapag-usapan yung actual amount. So, basically, yan ang ating template. So, what does that mean? So, that means kung ikakasa mo sa sarili mo that by April 1 or April 15, gusto mong magkaroon ng 622,000, ito na yung process. So, I hope you liked this presentation, guys. Nakita na rin natin dito yung mga incentives, no? Which is Unimag, first level, tablet or phone, second level, laptop for third level, travel or motorcycle, fourth level, and for fifth level, a car. So, I hope you like this one. Thank you very much, guys. Have a blessed week ahead.